Hi everybody, it's Lori from Fluid Artistry by Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to be painting on this cradled wood panel that I got from Michaels. This is an 8x8 panel, and I have taped up my sides because I like to leave the natural wood on the sides. And you can see I put the pins in the bottom too, just to keep it from getting all messy on the back side. I didn't tape up the whole thing, but just around the edges. So I'm going to try and keep that part neat. I've got some awesome colors today. My plan is to do probably 3 blooms on here and then spin them out on the spinner. But my colors, hang on, I hope we don't get dizzy. I have my Valspar Interior Satin Ultra White Paint and Primer. And I have, for my cell activator, I have Lamp Black from Amsterdam mixed with just American Floetrol. And colors, this is Arteza Pink Tulip, Pearl Pink Tulip. You can see they're mixed very thick. They're mixed with a base paint, Glidden base paint, and polyacrylic pouring medium that I mixed up. I will have all of the recipes in the description box for you below. And this here is Primary Elements Snapdragon. I just love the shimmer in these. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. They're so pretty. This is DecoArt Metallics Rose Gold. It's still got a lot of bubbles in it because I just mixed this one. This is Golden Quinacridone Violet. This here is Primary Elements Plumeria. This one's DecoArt Americana Sterling Silver Metallic. This is Golden Turquoise Phthalo Blue. Sorry, just Turquoise Phthalo it is. Golden Turquoise Phthalo. And this is Primary Elements Blue Bayou. So I'm going to put my pillow paint down on the board, and I will be back with you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Got my pillow paint down. I don't have to worry about the sides, which is nice. Just a little bit of that lip over on the sides. So let's put down some colors. Here's the final wet results. I am so happy with this. I absolutely love the colors. I love the way the blooms are kind of falling off the sides and a little bit of swirls in the middle. And there's so much shimmer. I hope I can get to show you that here. It just shimmers like crazy. I love the way the colors play with each other. These are such great colors together. They worked out so well. Some cool cells here and there, and the contrast is just right. Pretty happy. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment or like, subscribe, that would be awesome. Share the video, that would be even more awesome. You know, all those YouTube things that count for something. Not only that, but it makes me feel good. It makes me feel more confident in what I'm doing. You know, it's always nice and most important that we like our own art, but when we get confirmation from others, it just means so much. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Take some time for you. Take care of yourselves. Remember, you're no good to anybody if you don't take care of yourself. Love you all. Thanks for being here. We'll see you next time. Bye.